For this craft, you're going to need a toilet paper roll, a butter knife. I'm using a children's one so that I don't have to worry about them hurting themselves. A plate to do the project on. I don't have any strings, so I'm using pipe cleaners, but if you have strings, you can use that. If you don't and you have pipe cleaners, then use those. Peanut butter and wild bird seed. Step 1 is to poke holes in the toilet paper roll to feed the pipe cleaner or string through. Okay, once you fed your pipe cleaner through, you are going to put peanut butter all over the toilet paper roll.
It's done.
Yep, rub it all over, buddy.
It's done.
No, don't eat it. Put it on your... Good job.
Oh wait, did the birds eat the...
Okay, next you're going to put bird seed onto the plate and then roll your peanut butter, or drop it on there, all over. Good job, put it all over, Pay.
Good job, son.